What's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? What's up, guys? Welcome back. I am TonyaNicole, and welcome to my bomb ass unboxing world. Today we have a new subscription, guys, GLOSSYBOX. This is my very first time getting this box and unboxing it on our channel. If you guys want to see what's in July's GLOSSYBOX, which I can't believe we're already in July, y'all know what to do. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you get this sub. Okay, my loves, welcome. As I said in the intro, I'm your girl, TonyaNicole, and welcome to my channel. To all of my new viewers or subscribers, thank you guys so much for clicking that button and watching your girl today. I want to apologize, guys. I haven't been doing shout outs in my last few videos because I was kind of like pre-recording and setting them to just go on our regular days and some bonus days. So I didn't have time to add you guys' names, and I do apologize for that. But I do want to give a big, huge shout out to my 5 first commenters from Friday's video. Thank you guys so much for rocking with your girl. I greatly appreciate all of you guys. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you saw, and I also put it in my YouTube community tab. Oh my God, y'all, I came home from work the other day and there was a 12-foot alligator in my yard. I put the video on my Instagram, so if you did not see it, make sure you go to my Instagram. The link is down below and check out how huge this alligator was. Y'all, I think it was trying to eat me. What y'all think? I think so. This month, guys, we also will be having our 3,000 subscriber giveaway. That will happen a little later on in the month. What I think I'm going to do with this giveaway is the items that I do not keep from these sub boxes for this month, I'm going to put them all in that giveaway and pick one lucky winner, or maybe 2. So I will let you guys know further details later on in the month. So guys, let's get to the specs of GLOSSYBOX and unbox this baby. Oh, wait, girl, we forgot the main thing. Drinking today some Moscato. This is the Night Vine Moscato from my Vine O unboxing. It is delicious. I will link that video down below if you guys missed it. I loved unboxing that wine box, guys. Oh, and this one is really good and sweet as well. Now, let's get to the specs and unbox this baby. GLOSSYBOX is a $21 per month beauty subscription plus free shipping. You can do a month-to-month, 3-month, 6-month, or a year subscription. This one here is their Aloha edition for July. I'm excited for this. So we're supposed to get 5 products in this box, and the value is supposed to be at $100. They did reach out to me, guys, to ask me to unbox this box for you guys and to give my honest review, which you know I will. Y'all already know how TonyaNicole roll, boo. If you use the code Tonya, you will get 22% off of your first box. Yes. So I will link that down below, guys. So make sure if you want this box to check it out. Without further ado, we're going to take a dance break and a drink break and get this baby open. When we open it up, it's packaged like that. I love the box. This is their Aloha edition. And look at that box. Look at that. Gorgeous. It's nice and sturdy. Oh, I like this. This would be good for like holding cards in, or my lipsticks, or all this extra stuff I just have laying around. Okay, let's take the top off. Oh, this is the inside of the box, guys. Very cute. And this is how it comes packaged like that. Love it. Okay, so we get 2 cards right here on top. One for a watch and one for velvet, which is I don't know what velvet sunnies are. Oh, eyeglasses, I'm sorry. And it's just like some gift cards we get right there. And like I said, it comes nice and wrapped with this little bow we're gonna pull. And on top, we have a little booklet. And this booklet just, oh, okay. It does give us the products that we received this month as well as prices. You do get deluxe size products in this box, and I think they throw the occasional full size product in as well. So right here on top, guys, I am seeing from Freeman, and this is the Hawaiian Black Salt Peel Off Deep Cleansing Mask. And there we go right there. That is what it is looking like, guys. I love the pouch-like design. You just twist this off like this. Let me show you. And inside of there is your product. You just squeeze it out. And I love that you're able to close it back up. You can get a few uses out of this. It says 3 to 4 on here. And it says it cleanses the skin for a luminous complexion. Let me see if they have anything about this, guys. This is our little special treat for the month, guys, like a bonus product. I'm very excited about this. And let me see if it says anything on here. This is Freeman Beauty's Hawaiian Black Salt Peel Off Mask. Boost your skincare routine with this detoxifying peel off mask from Freeman Beauty. This skincare treatment helps gently exfoliate and rejuvenate the skin for a luminous complexion. So this is the deluxe size, guys. The full size would have 6 fluid ounces of product, and this one has 1.18 ounces of product in here, and it retails for $4.29 for the full size. Okay, cool. Next up, guys, I am pulling out from Monoi. I don't know what that is, guys. These 2 nourishing deep conditioners. Okay, cool. I wonder if we're supposed to get 2 or if this was, okay, yes. So these are the deluxe size packets right here. And this is the Monoi. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm gonna put the name down here. Coconut hair conditioner. Say hello to a tropical treat with this hydrating hair conditioner. Infused with softening Mononi. I think it's Monani. I don't know. Oil. A blend of, girl, they got Tahitian gardenias and coconut oil to hydrate and strengthen. This conditioner protects against damage by softening and straightening your locks. Plus, who doesn't like a little extra something? So we got 2 hair conditioners. Y'all do know I do not like receiving hair products in boxes, but a conditioner I love because I can put these on my wigs or my natural hair and just let it sit for hours. And this is sulfate and paraben free, guys. And yes, it's from Hask Clean Beauty. The full size would be a 12-ounce bottle, and it retails for $5.99. Okay, guys, so these are the deluxe sample sizes. Let's take a drink break. Okay, so the next product up is from Polaar, and this is a Northern Light Smoothing Cream. That's what it looks like right there, guys. And it does not have how much comes in this container. And it says on here, in the height of summer, no one wants a dull complexion. True. This natural face fluid is packed with Siberian olive, which is rich in vitamin C, and salicylic acid to give you radiant skin, tighter pores, and a more refined skin surface. Combining a light fluid texture and a matte finish, it's the ideal base for warm weather. Perfect, because y'all know I have oily skin, and babe, your girl be like suffering during the summertime. It does have a seal on it, guys, but I am definitely looking forward to using this before my makeup to see it gives me that nice matte finish, which y'all know I do love. This is the deluxe size. The full size is 50 milliliters of product, and it retails for $46. This is definitely a deluxe mini, okay? Cool. The next product is the Soothing Hawaii Facial Oil. Okay, wow. Has sandalwood and lavender in it. That's what it looks like, guys. And this is also a deluxe mini product. Let's open it up and see. It does not have a safety seal. I don't know what it smells like. I smelled the lavender, and that might be sandalwood. But if you can see in there, which you probably can't, it's not full at all, guys. It's about half full. About right there. So yeah, it is like an oil, though. We can pour a little bit out. Let's pour some out. It's just like a regular little oil. Let's put it on our hands. Smell it. Yes, it does smell like essential oils, guys. So let's see what they say about this little product. And this is from Monu Professional Skincare. It's the Soothing Hawaii Face Oil. This gentle facial oil provides the ideal treatment to relax and comfort irritated or sensitive skin. Created using a colorful combination of hydrating sandalwood and soothing lavender essential oils, your skin will feel comfortable throughout the entire day. Wow. Okay, cool. I'm very excited to use this at night. This is a mini deluxe size, guys, and the full size retails for $39. Next up, guys, we have from the Beauty Crop. This is the Palm Balm Lip and Cheek Balm in color. That's what it looks like, guys, right there. And we have the shade Mauve Wave right there, guys. Let's take it out and see. Oh, the packaging is very cute. This is what it looks like outside the package. It is sealed up, so I don't want to open it because I am using some cheek and lip oils right now. So I'll keep it packaged up, and I will use this at a later date. And let's see what it says about this. This is the full size, guys, right here, and this retails for $21. It says take a breather with this 2-in-1 combo that enhances your lips and cheeks with a lovely shade of peachy rose. Formulated with coconut and apricot kernel oil, your skin will have a gorgeous, fresh, tropical glow. Cool. And this is the full size, $22. I'm very excited for this. Y'all know I do love a good lip balm. But I don't know about my cheeks, but I'll definitely use it on my lips. And the last product we have, guys, is another full-size product. And this is from Daily Concepts. And this is the Exfoliating Dual Texture Scrubber. Right here, this is what it looks like. We just get one. That's the back. They have at the bottom here, gentle, mild, or vigorous. And this one is the mild one. It's perfect for travel and for all skin types. This is the Exfoliating Dual Texture Scrubber. This body scrubber is perfect for even the most sensitive skin to buff away dead skin cells and dirt. Plus, its shape covers more surface area to get more cleaning done in half the time. Okay, I love an exfoliator. I will definitely be using this when I scrub a dub all in the tub. That was kind of whack, huh? I know. This retails for $12, guys. All right, loves, we're gonna take a quick drink. Y'all get your glasses. That was our final product in this month's Glossy Box. We're gonna quickly recap, do final thoughts, and we're gonna be done. So we received the exfoliating texture scrubber here from the Beauty Crop, this Palm Balm Lip and Cheek Balm, this Soothing Hawaii Face Oil right here, from Polaar, this Northern Light Soothing Cream right here, these two hair conditioners here, our little bonus product, which is this Hawaii Black Salt Peel Off Mask. 6 products included for this month. So my final thoughts on this box is if you are a true skincare person, this is the perfect subscription for you. This box is full of good varieties. You have an exfoliator, to hair products, to peel off masks, to lip balms, to soothing oils, to primers. I mean, I must say, if you are a skincare lover, this is an ideal box for you. I did like the products that we received this month. I do, y'all know, I wish that there was more makeup, but this is their Aloha Summer July box. And what better to get in the summertime than skincare? Because we know a lot of people do not like to wear makeup during the summer, especially if you live in Louisiana where I'm at. It is like scorching hot and your face just melts off. I mean, it's ridiculous. So skincare is very important during the summer months. So I do think this was a pretty decent box. We did get, I think, 2 full-size products plus an extra little product. So we received 6 instead of 5. The rest of them were deluxe sizes or deluxe mini sizes. So I'm really cool with trying out new things. Let me know down below, guys, what you thought about the products I received, as well as the $21 per month price. Let me know if you think that this box is worth it. I do think if you're a skincare junkie, you will definitely love this box. I really don't know how to rate the box because this is my first Glossy Box. So I'm not really sure how to rate it, guys. So I want you skincare junkies to let me know if this box is good or bad. Let me know on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage. Don't do the damn ones! To 5 being this box is the bomb.com, boo. You know what I'm saying? All my skincare junkies, I want y'all to answer down below and let me know your thoughts on this box. I really don't know. I think it's a good box for summer. Don't forget, guys, if you have not subscribed to your girl, please stop what you're doing. Press that subscribe button and become a part of my family. I am so happy to have you. Follow me on Instagram as well as Twitter. All of those links are down below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and let me know what you guys thought. So guys, that's all I have for today. Until next time and next video, I hope you guys enjoyed your weekend and are enjoying this Monday with your girl. I'll see you guys in the comments and on my next video. Bye, guys.